Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm hoping that you are enjoying my rendition of the Starting Fresh Tablescape 2021. This collaboration is being hosted by the Heaven's Pearls, and we're using the hashtag Starting Fresh Peacefully. And the members of the Heaven's Pearls are DIY Design by CCW, Glam Queen of DIY, Love is the Main Key, Levels of Style with Erica, Jazigreen Decor Style, Styling with Stacy, Debby Bubbles, and D of the Designers Loft. We thank you so much, and again, I hope that you'll watch the playlist as well. And most of all, I hope that you're going to be able to start fresh peacefully in 2021. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not a member of the group, or a member, I should say, of this channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing today. Make sure that you leave a message down there in the comments so that I'll know you subscribed. And I thank you again. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night, and start fresh peacefully in 2021.